Hello, so now we are here in step number 2, which is to install the USB device driver for the STM3 so that the STM3 can talk to your PC. If you have a Windows 10 machine and it's connected to the internet, try first simply plugging in the USB cable and see if that works. And here I got the nice sound that tells me that it probably worked. I'll check that out. Now I'll go to Device Manager. Here. And then ports COM and LPT. And here you can see there's C-Link plus 232 USB to RS-232 converter COM31. So that worked. Now, it could happen though that the Windows just cannot find the right device driver online, and if that's the case, what you first want to do, there'd be a little caution sign, like an orange triangular caution sign over your device here. You would click on that, and I would then uninstall the device first before proceeding, just so that you have a clean configuration here. I'll remove my cable. And then you have to download the device driver from the manufacturer, and the manufacturer is called SeaLevel. So therefore, I will now go to the web, and I type in SeaLevel. It's probably SeaLevel Systems, I imagine. Okay. Here we are, that looks correct. I'm going to go to Support, Software Drivers. All right. And it's called SEACOM. That's what you're looking for. SEACOM for Windows. I'll just click on that right here. And here it tells me all sorts of stuff. Here's my download. Click on that. And now it's downloading it. We'll wait until that's completed here. So once that is done, we're going to click on that and install it, and thereafter then essentially connect the USB cable again. So the process really is similar how it is to many other USB devices here. If you do have some confusion about it, ask your friendly IT guy. All right, almost done. We are done here. I can click on that. Oh, I'm just going to say open, see what happens. There goes. Preparing to install. And as usual, just hit next. Yes, of course, I accept the conditions and hit install. Let's see what happens next. You have to hit yes. You may not have seen that here on my screen recorder. It's still working on it. Yeah, you can go get a cup of coffee or something like that. Yeah, here we are. It's finished. All right. Okay, now it's showing me some release notes. I don't need that. So, oh wow, that's some other interesting stuff here. Anyway, now I will plug in the USB cable again. I get the happy beep from Windows. I'm going to go to my device manager to see if it installed it. Here I'm in the device manager. ports, whoops, COM and LPT. Here it is, COM31. There we go, well, COM31, that's really hard to remember. So what I'm going to do is right click on it and go properties, port setting. And you don't have to do this, but I like to do this. Advanced, and then I'm going to reassign it as a different COM port. And you can even use one of the ones that you have that says in use. As you can see, I have lots and lots and lots of in use because I use this computer for a lot of stuff. Because it will work as long as you only ever have one of the devices that's on a given COM port, like COM3 physically connected. Even if you have 3 different ones, as long as only one is connected at a given time, you're fine. I'm going to call it COM2, however. It's just my default for these. And hit OK here. And there it is, COM2. I'm looking if there's any caution mark that says it can't do it, you know, it doesn't recognize it or something like that. That's not the case. So looks to me like I have a good device driver installed. And well, that is the second part of the 3-step process. In the next step, you'll then see how to test whether the communication actually works with the ARC application.